Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus Notion. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting what each tool does best. Miro is a dynamic online whiteboard for visual collaboration, perfect for brainstorming and workshops. Notion, on the other hand, is a comprehensive workspace for notes, tasks, and project management. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which platform aligns better with your workflow and team's requirements. Miro truly shines as a visual collaboration powerhouse. Its infinite canvas allows teams to brainstorm freely, creating mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams without limits. With access to over 5,000 templates, you can jumpstart any project, from customer journey maps to agile workflows. Real-time collaboration features, like digital sticky notes and interactive tools, make remote workshops feel natural and engaging, fostering creativity and shared understanding across your team. Notion stands out as an incredibly versatile, all-in-one workspace. It consolidates notes, documents, tasks, and wikis into a single, organized platform. Its powerful databases allow for detailed project management, offering customizable views like Kanban boards, calendars, and lists. You can tailor your workspace with flexible blocks and templates, making it perfect for personal organization or managing complex team projects. Notion excels in structured, asynchronous collaboration, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned. So, which tool is better for you? If your team thrives on visual thinking, real-time brainstorming, and dynamic workshops, Miro is likely your best fit. Its interactive whiteboards are unmatched for creative ideation and strategic planning. However, if you need a structured, all-in-one workspace for detailed documentation, project management, and building a centralized knowledge base, Notion will serve you better. Many teams even use both, integrating Miro boards into Notion pages for a truly comprehensive solution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.